beautiful day today here in Greer, South Carolina, and we are here at Greer Golf, and I want to share this golf course with you today. Now, it has had some fabulous renovations over the last year or so, and now they are doing renovations to the clubhouse and making it, just spectacular. This is a public golf course here in Greer, and it only costs us like $60-something today to play, the two of us together. So it's very affordable. It's a great course to practice on and really get in some practice time for your golf and just to get out and have fun. So wanted to share it with you. Can't wait to bring you some more. Okay, so far we are having so much fun. We just played number 4, and I sunk it from like a goofball hit that was off the green. It was hilarious. So I got in 3. Or was that the par 3? It was number 4, and then it was 3. So anyway, lots of fun. So this course is in really great shape overall. I mean, this is one of those that's great to come out to 1 or 2 times a week to practice. It's in really good shape. And then I'll mention some other courses that I love too, and I hope to cover some of the other ones. But I know like Cherokee Valley is one of our favorites. There's some great ones over in Inman, and of course River Falls over in Duncan, which I've covered. But there are some fabulous golf courses all around the area. And Paris Mountain is one that we'll be playing, I think, in September. So I'll look forward to bringing you some of that. So let's get back to the game. Let's see what happens. Okay, honestly, this is one of the holes that I've always dreaded the most. It's a par 4 right here at the turn. It's number 7. And the guys are out here really picking up the greens. You do not want to hit left on this one. So thankfully I hit right today. John hit left, and we both ended up on the green in 2. Whoop, whoop. There we go. So now I'm going to try for this to get it in the putt here. So close. I got a true par. Of course, you got some water on the course. The scenery today is beautiful. Also, they've got the electronic scoring and all that good stuff. So the golf carts, though, are a little wonky. The thing shakes a little bit, but it's good. It's a good day to play golf. Okay, that was pretty good. So we're on a par 5, right? What number? 9. This is 9, hole number 9. So hey, it was pretty good. We're both on the green in 3, or were you here in 2? Oh, I think I'm here in 3. So, but anyway, yay! It's a par 5, so pretty excited. Okay, that up there is the clubhouse and the pool area that they're going to turn into more of an event venue, and it's a very nice clubhouse, but they're currently doing I think a $1-point-something million renovation, so we're pretty excited about that and seeing what it's going to be like. And there's plenty of parking right now. Even with the construction, they have special places to park, so come on out to Greer and play. Also, if you want to buy a house right across from the golf course, here you go. Plenty of new ones available here. These are Stanley Martin homes. This should be hole 14, and let me just tell you, if you go left, you got to pray, because the water's all the way down that left side, and I believe that is Lake Cunningham. I'm pretty sure. That was really good. So you can see that the green is right there at the water, so you've got hazard on the left and straight ahead, and my ball is right down there. So, oh, excuse me, no, right over there. So I'm gonna go see what I can do. Oh, well, there you go, John, just tapped it. went all the way up to John up on the hill. That was hilarious. And then it rolled down to right in front of the green. Woohoo, I'll take it. Okay, look at this beautiful hole. So yeah, this is right here at Greer Golf. So I'm gonna tell you, it's a beautiful course. They've done a ton of work to it. The greens are a little slow today, but it's good. All right, I'm gonna take this shot and I'll see you in a few. Great day, everyone.